In this video, we will explain how to download Rainbow Six Mobile on your phone step by step, whether you are using an Android device or an iPhone, in a simple and clear way suitable for everyone. Due to the large number of questions about this popular game, many tactical shooter fans are looking for Rainbow Six Mobile, especially since the game may not be officially available in some countries. For this reason, we will show you the correct and safe way to download and run the game without any problems. Rainbow Six Mobile is the mobile version of the famous Rainbow Six Siege game, known for its tactical gameplay, teamwork, and reliance on strategy rather than random shooting. In this tutorial, we will start from the very beginning, explaining where to download the game and how to install it properly. If you are an Android user, we will show you whether the game is available on the Google Play Store, and if it is not available, we will explain how to download it using the APK file and how to install it correctly by enabling installation from unknown sources. We will also provide solutions to common problems such as the game not opening, update requests, or sudden crashes. For iPhone users, we will explain how to download the game from the App Store if it is available, or how to change the store region if necessary in a safe way. We will also talk about the game's system requirements and whether your device supports it. At the end of the video, we will give you some important tips to get the best performance while playing. If you face any issues during the download or installation, feel free to leave a comment below the video and I will respond to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive more content about games, downloads, and detailed tutorials.